How many of you guys went to the concert? We already talked about that. Can you sell those concert tickets? You can. Be honest with you. In real estate, there's a lot of people, life happened, and they may not have the perfect credit. They cannot go to we call them A paper banks, like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase. Their criteria is very strict, and not everybody can qualify. So what does that mean? These people cannot buy a house ever? Well, there's hard money lenders that some of them look at credit scores, some of them don't. They just go off the property. Does the property produce? This is an asset-based lender. If the property produces, they will lend on it. So, or you can go to the seller, the person that is selling it. Think about this. As an investor, let's say you're an investor and you are selling a property. Why would you be selling a property?